How to create a Truist bank account online. Want to open a Truist bank account online without leaving your home? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Truist bank account online step by step. So let's get started. So open your browser and go to the official Truist bank website. Navigate to the bank account section and choose the type of account you want: checking, savings, or both. Once you've decided on the account type, click the Open an Account button and you'll be redirected to the online application form. Fill in your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, social security number, address, and contact information, and make sure to have a government-issued ID handy for verification. Customize your account by selecting features like overdraft protection and digital banking tools. Confirm any minimum deposit requirements if applicable. Double-check the information you entered and review the account terms and agree to the bank's policies, then click Submit Application. After submitting, you receive a confirmation email with next steps. So once your application is approved, your account will be ready to use. And that's how you can create a Truist bank account online in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.